Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Voltorb Flip. Your main objective is to uncover all the valuable 2- and 3-point cards on a 5x5 grid. Be careful, though. Hidden among these point cards are Voltorbs. If you flip a Voltorb, the game ends instantly, and you forfeit any coins you've collected during that round. The numbers at the end of each row and column are your crucial guides. Understanding the numbers at the end of each row and column is key to mastering Voltorb Flip. The top number tells you the total points you can earn from the non-Voltorb cards in that particular line. Below it, the second number reveals exactly how many Voltorbs are hidden within that same row or column. By carefully analyzing these two pieces of information, you can strategically determine which cards are safe to flip and which ones to avoid. To play effectively, employ smart strategies. If a row or column displays 0 Voltorbs, you can safely flip all 5 cards in that line without risk. Furthermore, if a line's total points match the number of non-Voltorb cards, you know every card in that line is worth just 1 point. Focus on lines with fewer Voltorbs first. Many players find it helpful to mark potential Voltorb squares with an X and confirmed 1-point cards with a 1. When you successfully clear a board by flipping all the point cards without hitting a Voltorb, you are rewarded with coins. The amount of coins you receive is influenced by the game's current difficulty level and the value of the cards you uncovered. As you continue to win, the game becomes progressively more challenging, featuring more Voltorbs and a greater distribution of higher point cards. Always strive to collect those 2- and 3-point cards for the best coin payouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.